Hello, angels. Hope you're all okay. Welcome to today's lesson, Friday, 3rd April 2020. And for today's math lesson, we are going to be looking at factors. Now, we did this, I think, before December Christmas break. We looked at factors, multiples, and prime numbers. But today we're just going to focus on factors. Factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number. So, for example, factors of 8. So, factors, simply put, are numbers that can go into another number without any remainders, without any leftovers. So, when it comes to 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8 all go into 8 without any remainders. And why is 5 not a factor? 5 is not a factor of 8 because when you think about it, 5 does go into 8, but then we have 3 remainder. So that's why it's not a factor. Okay? So let's look at this. So let's look at factors on Venn diagram. So I've got factors of 16 on this side of the Venn diagram. Factors of 20 will go on this side. And then in the middle, I've got in common. That just means what numbers do they have in common. And at the bottom, I've got a group of numbers and we are going to put them in the Venn diagram. Like my paper keeps moving so I can hear you say, the 10, the 10, the 10. And here's the 10. Okay. Ooh, we're very good at improvising, which I love, 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 love. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with 16, factors of 16. So we know that 1 goes into 16, 2 goes into 16. Any other number goes into 16? Ah, I can hear you. I can hear you bellowing. Yes, any other number goes into 16? 8. And any other number? And 16 in itself. Okay, well done. So now we look for the factors of 20. 1 goes into 20. 2 goes into 20. What are the 4. You guys know I can hear you through this phone. Oh yes, that is how in tune we are. I can hear all of you saying 4. Next number, miss, write 5. I love it. I love it. Yes, you are correct. 5. What else goes into 20? Oh, 10. I can hear you bellowing. 10. Any other number goes into 20? And of course, 20. So we've got all the numbers apart from 9 and 13. And you were correct. 9 goes into 16, but that means there'll be a remainder. 9 also goes into 20. That also means there'll be a remainder. 13 goes into both 16 and 20, but there will be a remainder. And that is why those numbers are not factors. Now, let's look at what numbers they have in common, which is where we are going to put in this section. They both have the number 1. They both have the number 2. They both have number 4. And they both have number... Oh, I wanted to see if you were paying attention. Well done. And so that's factors on a Venn diagram. Let me move our tuner and bring in our last sheet. So now we're going to look at factor trees. Okay, so we'll start with the number 30. So 3 is on this side. What times 3 makes 30? 10. Well done. 10 times 3 makes 30. And then next row, we have 2 here and 2 empty boxes. Well, we have an idea what might go into the next box because we know that 2 times something makes 10. What is the something? 5, which means we bring back 3. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 3 makes 30. Now I can put this tuner back here to hold the paper in place while we look on this side. 100. What times 20 makes 100? 5. Excellent. So we'll bring the 5 down here. And of course, 20. All we have to do is partition 20. What 2 numbers can go on either side to make 20? 4 and 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 5. Back to 100. Last row. What number can we bring down here? The number 5. What and what makes 4? You guys are way ahead of me. 2. 2 times 2 makes 4. And then what comes down here? 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. Oh, you are good. Excellent. Well done. Okay. Now, there's some websites I wanted to show you. BBC Bite Size. I think I mentioned this in one of our videos. Again, don't forget, Monday, April 20th, they're going to be doing daily lessons coming soon. So make sure you remind yourselves about that. So on this side, you can see factors, multiples, and prime numbers. There are videos as well to help you. So this is a very, very good website if you want to learn more about factors. And then there's one more, Enrich. Fantastic website, fantastic. Again, factors and multiples for Key Stage 2. So here you could have games, you have worksheets, you have videos, you have PowerPoint to help you. So between this site and BBC Bite Size, you guys are good to go. So go ahead, you're good to go. It means that now. Yeah, go. Type in factors and begin. And most importantly, enjoy. Factors is fun. Mathematics is fun. Okay? You take care. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely weekend. Bye-bye.